Hello everybody, this is going to be on the Tuxedo Touch. I'm going to show you how to reset the panel board without having to unplug it or pull any wires off of it or taking off the wall. If your panel board's frozen up for some reason, if the, let's say the Wi-Fi won't keep up or it won't go into dim mode, what you need to do is you need to reset the panel. On the side of the panel board where the memory card is, if you look down here, it's kind of hard to see. There's a little tiny button there. It works just like a Wi-Fi reset or a modem reset. You need a little pin, paper clip. I'm gonna use a sheetrock screw here. And basically all you do is you insert it on that, and when you press in, you'll notice the lights come on, the panel goes black, and then after a couple seconds, it'll start rebooting. It'll go through a setup menu, a little boot log, and I'm just gonna keep quiet here for a minute while it's doing that. This is completely normal when it's resetting. And now depending on how much stuff you have in your panel, if you have 4 zones in your system, it'll load faster. If you have 50 zones in your system and a bunch of automation, it may take a little bit longer to load. Once it gets past that process, you'll actually see where it comes back on, gathering panel information. And that's where it brings all the zones and all the automation into play. Hope everyone liked the video. Sorry for the chirping in the background. I'm on a new job site, so I've still got smoke detectors chirping. Nothing's finished yet. And that should take care of any problems you have. If not, call your local installer or your local company.